Hello everyone, my name is Marcus and welcome to my design vlog. Hello everyone, how is everyone doing today? Well, again another busy day, so I'm doing this in the morning, full of energy and full of holiday spirits. Sorry. Okay, let's go. So today I'm gonna try to keep this really simple because I don't have much time again, so I need to do it, and I'm gonna do like a typography poster today, something really fun for me and for you to watch. So I'm gonna get my text type tool, and then I'm gonna write holiday. Because what's a better word for this time of the year? I'm doing this around Christmas. I don't know if you are watching this like next year, mid of June or like summer. But I'm doing this in Christmas, so can make sense to you if you're watching this today, but maybe makes no sense at all if you're watching this in May next year. So I'm gonna choose holiday as my, how do I spell it? Yeah. And then I'm gonna change this to a nice condensed font, outward block font, one of my favorite fonts, because it's so condensed and it's so readable. I really love it. I'm gonna expand it. The way I like to expand fonts, I can just like right click and then create outlines, or I can just select it and then go to object and then expand it, or the quickest way, which is Command Shift O, or Control Shift O to expand it automatically. With time, it's really nice to know all these shortcuts because they just speed up your design process. Cool, and this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. No, I'm joking. Let's just, we expanded it, and then I'm gonna just stretch this up a little bit, and then maybe align these points. Oops. No, maybe actually I'm gonna just stretch everything up a little bit, up to here, something in the middle, and then I will do the same thing here. Yeah. Holiday. And I'm gonna make this red because Christmas is red. Because of Coca-Cola. I don't know if that's a myth or it's actually true, but then I'm gonna group this together again, just be able to do it. Then maybe I'm gonna just scale this down a little bit and gonna select it, and then I go to object and envelope distort, and then I'm gonna make with mesh. I want to make it like a nice mesh. I don't actually need many points vertically, so I just gonna make like 6 points in a row, and then maybe a little bit more, and then 0 here. I don't need any vertical points, I think. No, I don't think I need, but I probably will increase this a little bit, like to 8, so I have a little bit more definition. 10, let's make it 10, let's make it a nice number. Perfect. Maybe I will need to actually have some columns. No, I don't. So my idea is just like get this tool. I'm gonna scale this down a little bit. Get this tool and distort the text really nicely. Just like this. Maybe I will do something like select this one, and then skip on one, and then skip one, and then select this one, and then select all together. Make a really nice wavy holiday text. And yeah, I think holiday, yeah. Kinda like it. It's such a easy effect, and I really love the way what he does with the type. It's readable, yeah, I think it's readable enough. O-L-I-D, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to read it, but it's readable. That's what I believe. So holiday, maybe it makes it more interesting, even like if you can read it at first, but then you spend a little bit of time looking at it, and then it makes sense, and then you're like, oh, I got it. Yeah. Let's going to make a background really quickly. Down, background, send it to the back. Make it same size of the artboard, 2400, and then just align it perfectly. Should I change this to dark background? No, that's not very Christmassy. Feels like a little bit too much. I'm gonna leave it as like a light gray, maybe white. Then snow is white, Christmas is snow and red stuff. And then I'm gonna just select this, scale it down, and then just make a copy of this background, scale it up, change the color to red, send it back. So I have like a little frame around it. I kind of like when I do this in some typography posters, just to give it a little bit more of frame. Yeah, that's what I meant. And yeah, I think this is it, guys. I don't want to make this very long anyway. Oh, it's a 5-minute one. This is just ridiculous. It's too short. What could we do to make this a little bit better? We could experiment with some gradients. Let's just expand this then. Let's just go object, expand. And let's just apply gradient here. Let's make it red, of course. Let's make it, where do I change it? Okay, here. Leave it as white. And then I'm just going to change the direction to 90 degrees. See if we can, oh nice, yeah. See, gradients. Let's make a copy of this. Oops, I'll just make a copy of the red. Can I select multiple? I don't think so. Just make it. Am I applying this to that one? No, I'm just making something totally random. Cool. Yeah, so I wanted to make maybe like shiny these parts here. I'm gonna definitely change the angle to 90 degrees. Yeah, this is what I was thinking, like maybe these high parts here, I can make them shine a little bit. I need to select the gradient. Something like this, and then again, I don't know how many I need to do. But yeah, let's just make this one a little bit darker. Something like that. Oh, need to select it. I always forget about selecting this. Now there, and then we have the red happening here, the white happening here, it's the white happening there, the red happening here, the white, and then the red. Yeah, actually, it's maybe a little bit too strong. Maybe I should even make it this a little bit like, maybe I should, instead of using white, I'm gonna use a dark red. Yeah, dark red. I think it creates, oh my god, I need to select it. I always forget to select these things. I don't know why. And I'm gonna do it. I need to do it really quick because I need to take a shower really quick as well, because I need to leave and I'm gonna be the entire day out, and then I will be really tired, and then I don't want to fail this, so I need to do it now. I'm sorry, it's probably not like, oh, it's not very exciting today, but you know, we just had fun playing with some gradients, distorting some type, and let's just write Christmas. We can even like make this like a Christmas tree. Maybe let's just go to effects and just check the time. Otherwise my girlfriend will fight, like be angry with me if I fail my shower. Develop distort, make with mesh, make it warp. Yeah, I was thinking like could even find like a warp that makes like a Christmas tree, or not actually. Just warp even more the text. Let's just see bulge. Bulge is cool, but doesn't do anything we want to. Let's just, oh, this is nice actually. I know it's not readable at all and it's nothing to do with what we're trying to do, but looks really nice. And blend envelope distort with warp shell up. I don't think there is one that will make what we need to, so we need to cancel it and then make it by hand. We can actually just use the distortion tools, the free distort maybe, and try to make it this a little bit like this, and then maybe scale this up in the bottom like that, and then it could be, it looks like a street or a highway, some situation. I like it though. Nice. Okay, I will stop it. I think this is enough. Maybe, let me see, just the frame is black really quick. If the frame was dark, it would make it better. Maybe not full dark, maybe like a dark gray. will do a nice job. Yeah, and I know it's not Christmas Day, but happy holidays. I'm gonna write it here, not with the same font. I'm gonna change this to Helvetica. Maybe like regular. Happy holidays. If you're in the same spirit as me, and if this is Christmas when you're watching this, and maybe YouTube will actually probably promoting this in the summer. So yeah. I'm gonna finish it. I need to finish it. I need to go. What am I doing? What am I just adding a sphere here? I have no idea why. Maybe I need to add a sphere for some reason. I'm gonna change the gradient of the sphere and make something freeform with the colors I'm using. I'm going to get in trouble for doing this, but I really want to. Oops. Like Christmas, like those Christmas hanging things, like they. No, I will stop it. I need to go. Thank you so much for watching this today, and I hope you enjoyed. I'm just going to scale it up again. Scale it down. Hope you enjoyed this poster today. I know it was a very quick one, but I really didn't want to lose this day, and it's going to be really hard this month. I don't know why I decided to make this month. This should be my New Year's resolution or something, and it actually was like my December resolution. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If it's the first time you're watching this video for some reason, please like and subscribe, and check my other videos as well. They are much better than this one. So yeah. Anyway, subscribe, like, and have an amazing Christmas if you are watching this around Christmas time. Cheers. Have a nice one. Bye bye.